Have you been using the Deepseek AI app and wondering on how to attach images in it? Then this tutorial is for you. Deepseek AI allows users to work with images seamlessly, whether for analysis, recognition, or text extraction. With Deepseek Artificial Intelligence, uploading and processing images is straightforward. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach images in the Deepseek AI. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Deepseek AI on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap on to plus sign option at the bottom just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the image just right here. Now select it. Now simply add a photo that you want to add, just like this, and after that tap on to add. Now we can see the image is uploading. And that's it. This is how you can attach the images in the Deepseek AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.